Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, the market is open and this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. As expected, as we discussed on Saturday, that overall the market sentiment has changed and market is bullish again. And we discuss about two possibilities: buy at retracement and buy at breakout. But market was so bullish it did not come for proper retracement. Rather, market went up sharply and we got the buy at breakout that we discussed on Saturday. Those who took position right at the market opening, hope you guys made some good money. And I'm sorry, I was not able to upload my video in the usual time because I was stuck in some personal work. Anyways, this is also not a bad time. So now we can see that after making a high of 4255, 4256, this particular high, market showed retracement. This was the first drop around 32. Then market tried to recover. Then market made a low of 18. Try to understand what is the overall trend of the market. The trend of the market is no doubt market is bullish. So as a retail trader, it will be better for us to be on the buy side only. As we have already discussed that if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position, and if you have any ongoing, if you are looking for a fresh position in your market, it will be better for us to look for buy positions only. The sentiment has not changed, so our strategy will also remain the same. But in the morning, the retracement showed by the market, gave a little hope that maybe the upside is over. Why? Because market structure is very important. No doubt market was bullish, but here you can see market was forming lower lows. And usually whenever market forms a lower low and a lower high, it signifies a trend reversal. But as I always tell you guys, my dear friend, that whenever you'll see something like this, a change in the market structure, you should always consider the market sentiment or the fundamental. If the fundamental is bullish, but technically if you see a movement like this, means in the opposite direction, then it's a temporary move. And this is what we also saw today. So now we can see the market is continuously going up from here. So again, if you have any buy, hold your buy position. That's it. The one thing that fascinated me was, FIBO is working. Finally, after a long time, we can see FIBO is working perfectly. So right now, this is the resistance around 56 area. If it fails, if market fails, then we have the next best support around 4207, the next FIBO level, and also the previous resistance working as support. Then you can see we also have the next best support around 419495. Those who are wondering, Avilash, why are you discussing about so far off levels? I'm just saying that as FIBO is working here right now, as per FIBO, these two are the next best levels where we can expect a good bounce of at least 150 pips. So 4207 and 4294, 4194, 4195. But these levels are far away from the current market price. So if market fails and market comes down, observe the volume. You can also expect a minor bounce around 4218. This is also another level where you can look for a bounce as a day trader. Not 150 pips like the other levels, but at least we can expect 100 pips. Then we also have a minor support on 32. To be honest, I'm not sure whether 32 will work or not. But I feel that if market comes down with low volume, at least we can expect a bounce of 80 to 100 pips. So on the chart of gold, we have four levels if market fails to break the current resistance. The best ones are 419495 and 4207 because they are the FIBO 50% and 61.8% retracement level, and also price action wise we can see previous resistance will be working as support. But those are far away, so we are also looking for immediate levels around 4218 and 4232. Keep in mind, market has already tested them, so they are not very strong. If market comes down with low volume, then only we can expect them to work. Four levels, out of four levels, two are good, two are not very good. But now, while recording the video, we see the market is going up. So yes, the buy at breakout possibility, okay, is still there, and it is also an opportunity for us. But we have a problem here. You can see the move has started from 4218, and market has already given us a considerable move without any proper consolidation. As we all know, consolidation plays a very important role. Without proper consolidation, the breakouts can be false breakouts. Am I going to buy at 4257? Then to be honest, the answer is no. Okay, because I don't see any big move right now, because see, as the move has started from 18 level, so there's a high chance that by the time market will reach 4260, 426263, okay, market will be tired and market may come down. I do not want to get trapped. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, if you want to take the risk, okay, if you have the risk appetite, you can look for buy above 4257. It's up to you, your choice. But if you do not want to take any risk, what you can do is you can look for buy at retracement. Means when the same level will become the new support, means at pullback, when 4255, 4256 will become the new support, you can buy. When, again I'm repeating, when the same level will become the new support, we can buy at pullback, because the move has started from 4218 zone. Already the market has moved by 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4. Yeah, already the market has moved by $30, 300 pips. So without proper consolidation, breakout can be dangerous. It can be false breakout. So be careful. If market consolidates, listen to me carefully. Okay, if you see market consolidates around this particular area for 1 to 2 hours, then you can look for buy at breakout, because consolidation, okay, is a good sign that, okay, that breakout is going to be a powerful one. But without consolidation, it is risky. So if market goes up, then buy at breakout, okay, and without consolidation, if it goes up, it will be safer for us to buy at pullback when 4255, 4256 will become the new support. So the overall sentiment in the market has not changed. Market is very bullish. If market breaks 4250, 4255 area, we can expect gold to head towards 4280, 4300. So if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, you can buy at retracement or buy at breakout. So here we can see FIBO is working again. So we can see, as per FIBO, the next best levels are 4207, 4208 and 4194, 4195, but they are far away. So we can also look for support around little bit weaker support, but still we can look for a bounce around 4218, 4219. And 4233, 4232. Keep in mind, they are not very strong. But as the move has started from 4218, 4219 zone, so buying at breakout is a little bit riskier right now. We need consolidation. Consolidation gives power. Okay, it's the fuel that adds to the breakout. So if market breaks 425657 area right now, it is risky. If you want to buy, it's your call, because there's a high chance that after 50-60 pips, market will be coming down again. So it will be safer for us to buy at pullback when 4255, 4256 will become the new support. Okay, and things are like that only. And my dear friends, this is Vantage. Okay, if you want to trade from TradingView directly, you can consider opening an account with Vantage. The Pro Trader platform of Vantage makes your life easier. You can analyze and also execute your orders at the same place. You can see you can directly buy and sell from here. And moreover, safety wise also, Vantage is a top-notch option, one of the safest and also the largest broker globally. So feel free to open your account in Vantage. The link will be in the description.